Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool around you can find on the Amazon link under the link tree under the video. This is my leftover paint pan. It's pretty awesome. I've started to prime the edges of the canvas and I'm going to continue just as soon as I pick up those canvases I just knocked over. I've got Meeden black paint, which is very black, which is one reason I love it, and the other reason I love it is because it tends to sell. I love my new 24-ounce containers, but I don't like the fact that they have an attached cap, and I keep dangling it in everything. So I say a little goes a long way, but I want to make sure I have enough. So there's my painting. I'm all done. No, I'm kidding. I've got other colors standing by. I'm going to show you just how fast this is. Probably make a piece of modern art while I prime. There we go, there's another painting for you. So I'm just going to hope that there is enough paint to make a nice layer. And I probably could have used a little more, but it wasn't coming out of the nozzle as well as I would like to have had it. So this is going to take me a second, unfortunately. But not that long, because I'm pretty good at it. I've done a couple thousand paintings at least. Which reminds me, I have 2,000 videos on playlists you can find if you look for all playlists, creative playlists on my YouTube channel. Also on my YouTube channel is the community board where you can talk to me and see tomorrow's video. And if you're interested, on my YouTube channel banner you can find PayPal and Patreon. And if you happen to be somebody who can afford to make a donation to help keep the studio rolling, then you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing. And you can see the prizes that whoever's name is drawn gets to choose from on the end screen video of every video in the last 20 seconds. And since there's only ever 15 or 20 people in the drawing, your chances are 1 in 15 or 1 in 20 of winning. Sometimes I do books. At the beginning of the year I usually do a calendar and or a painting. So we're pretty well covered. And now I have to decide if I'm going to put a shovel in. Actually, I'm going to take all of the paint that's on the edge of my spatula and look for any little missing gaps along the top. I never get used to the fact that this paint covers in one go around. Looks like I missed a spot on that side. Okay, so there's my color, and I'm going to take a shovelful and see what happens. Do I want to put some more white in there? I want to put a little black in there. My black is Amsterdam black with pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax in it. And I want to put a little bit of the Anita's white metallic right on the top of that. And probably some of the other colors over here, which is an orange that's color shifting. Is it? I'm not sure. Ha! I'm confusing it with another orange. There's the one that's color shifting. That one's a deco art. That one's a folk art. And it's much more red. This is an Arteza electric blue pearl. I just did a really cool 24 by 30 inch painting with my leftovers, and I thought I cannot waste these. But I have no idea what's going to happen right now. I do want to just put them all out there. I could do almost anything with them. To be honest, I could put chain in, I could use the airbrush. I don't often do this on a wet background, so it's kind of a neat experiment for me. And if I just stop and rest the shovel, it will relax whatever I have. I don't think I need a whole lot of anything else. I like those shapes. I just need a couple more. I could even swipe this if I wanted to. I'm not sure how I feel about this yet. I kind of want to make all this run down. Last time I used my shovel to make some marks that attach things. I kind of like that. I think I want a tip. And I could certainly add more colors. But I seldom, if ever, tip my shovel pours. Usually I'm pretty happy with how they turn out. Got a few bottles in my way. And I'm going to have to decide what I'm going to do. But I am enjoying the tip. And I could just attach everything with green stems if I wanted to pretend I was making some kind of flowery thing. If I move this down right above the reservoir, I get to recapture that paint again. And I really could enjoy using some of my Amsterdam black and smearing some paint. I like connecting things. I really want some more orange in here, and I'm not sure why, but I just have this funny feeling. That was the red. That was way too red, in fact. And I meant to use some of this magenta, so let's just do that right now. That adds something. A colorful element that I like a lot. I often wish I would make up containers of multiple colors. So I'll just use my shovel for now. Whoa, crash. Butterfingers. And some of my hot orchid. And if the top will come off, I might throw in some of that Anita's white metallic that has a little tiny bit of pink. I like that red orange by Folk Art so much. I'm really tempted to use some more. I want to be a little careful. Or not. Okay, that's interesting. I'm really liking that a lot. Wondering if I can turn my shovel around and get more paint out of the other side. That's pretty nice. I don't think I need to do much of anything to that, but I do have paint in my shovel, and I really could just take it and make little buds. I've been looking at magnolia blossoms on Instagram thinking I'd like to do a painting like that. With the white, shimmering white and pinks, magentas. So that's kind of simple, but I used up my leftovers and I like the pattern a lot. Thank you guys for joining me. I really appreciate your being here. There's over 93,000 subscribers at the moment. I've got a little bit more paint and the tenacity to use it. Right on my spatula. I don't want to go so far that I regret this. Matter of fact, I'm really close to just saying I'll put that paint on my Lolify silicone mat. This is cool. I'm going to use some of this paint to go down over the edge and finish the flow, complete the pattern, whatever, of what's there already. I know I could do something else, but I'm not sure what it would be. There, that's it. That's all I need. This color in my pan matches what's over here, so that's perfect. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to say, I'm so happy that you guys were here. Thank you for joining me. I think I said that already. Thank you for all the donations that help keep me painting. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. I love you guys dearly. Check out my 2,000 videos on 19 lists of 100, and also by topic and genre. I could probably add dots into this, but right at the moment I don't feel the need for them. But because they're dots, if I wanted them, I could change my mind and add them tomorrow, which would not hurt my feelings. I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. Sometimes it releases patterns in the paint, and that's pretty cool too. I am suddenly off kilter. There's a stretcher bar down the middle of the back of these canvases, which is one thing I love about them. I could get all kinds of frou-frou all over this with more marks, but sometimes simple is good. So, check the end screen video for the exhibition video in the last 20 seconds of every video, and you'll see the prizes for the monthly drawing that happens at the first of the month. And if you donate through PayPal or Patreon, I think I said all this before, you can be automatically entered. Yeah, sometimes I lie about stuff I'm going to do or not do. This is just one of those moments. I've got paint. I don't think I'm going to hurt anything with it. At least I hope not. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I wonder if I set my timer. Yeah, I've got 2 minutes left. No kidding. That's awesome. All right. What else do I need to tell you? My link tree under the video has my Amazon link, and if you shop there, it's at no added cost to you. And I think I started this video by telling you most of this stuff. So I'm being a little redundant, and I apologize for that. But this is really super neat. Just listening to my muse. Might be a good thing, might be a bad thing. So let me look over there. My email address is underneath the link tree, and it's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. And if you use the hashtag and the file number from the title of any video, you can inquire about a purchase if you would like to, or a class if that strikes your fancy. I need another Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and these are on my Amazon link, and I recommend them highly. I use them frequently. First day with my new tongue. Again, another first day. So, I love my level V silicone mat for spreading paint I don't want to wash away in the bucket. And whatever it is, I can add paint on top of it, or I can peel it up the way it is. What else do I need to tell you? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are on my link tree, and also my website, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and more for shopping, Pixels.com and Fine Art America, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, fans and collectors to see the albums of wet and dry artworks that I have edited from YouTube videos. They're not all there. I wonder someday if they'll ever be all there. So these colors are just dynamite. And I love you guys. Oh, that's cool. It's cool from up here too. So whatever I didn't tell you, you'll see in another video. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. If you're newly subscribed, thank you very much. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We'd love to have you. If you have questions, ask me. If you need my paint pouring recipe or the recipe for cell activator, it's underneath the video. What else? I think that's almost it, except for Teespring clothing is below the video, and it has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. And if you can't find what I made on them that you like, ask me and I will add stuff. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Whew, that's a lot to remember. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I'll see you anon.